See what spit made of.
I'm ready. What's up, everybody? We're back for the first time in like a month. It's been like 2 months, I think. It's gonna be weird. I'll give you all a big overlook of a field that we have to walk through. Once I get up on top of, I guess I'm gonna climb on the gate. You think so? We have these woods over here. We're walking up this driveway deal, and we have to cross this field. Hold on, I think.
Hopefully the quality's good.
Oh, I got a baby! Whoa! But yeah, there's some junk over there, and that scared me to death. I just turned around and saw a stick going right at my face. So, this is kind of weird. I never thought I'd be like.
We never thought we'd be famous, but.
Never thought I'd have 46 subscribers. Yeah, it's actually kind of crazy because we made like 3 videos and went from about 24 to like mid 40s. So I don't know. It's a little bit weird that how big we jumped, I guess, in about 2 days. Parker, you're nasty. I don't even know if they can see us. This lighting is a lot better. Look.
Well, that's not where we're going.
True. So I think, hopefully on the camera, I don't look like one of those, like standard profile pictures, you know?
I hope you can.
Just like, that'd be epic. So my mom had a selfie stick a bunch of years ago, and I was trying to get the selfie stick, because the selfie stick on the walk would be a lot better, because we could be seeing all the scenery and stuff. But like, she didn't have it, so I just have to hold the phone with my hand, and it's kind of weird. So I'm gonna catch y'all once we get to the woods. Don't y'all be going anywhere. I'll be watching you. Okay, so it turns out I pressed the wrong button, and I thought I was recording, but I just took a picture. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Here's our woods. Well, I'm gonna give y'all a 360. If I can stay balanced on this log.
Is 360 done? I look like
Whoa.
a woman.
Okay, never mind.
I look like a Karen.
Kinda do. Okay, so Parker says he just saw a deer.
I did. I don't know if it was a buck or a doe.
So we're gonna trek down on into the woods. I just zoned out for a good couple seconds. So, whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. I didn't think there'd be barbed wire here. I have to jump over this barbed wire through the thorns. Look how fast Bubby is. Okay, I gotta jump over this. Whoa. Okay, that was cool. Okay, I feel like this angle's a lot better. I probably look so weird. Just the side of my face, like. Parker, you scared me to death. Hey Parker, would this look weird if I did it like this?
Nope.
Okay, so.
Yes, it would. Don't hold it like that.
So, as some of you all know, my front-facing camera doesn't work.
Who would know that?
Some people. They go to my school.
Actually, don't name me.
Speaking of school, here, Parker, let's come down here and chill on this log right here. Look at this. This looks baller. What? This looks baller. Come down here and chill on this log. Look at this. Alright.
Ready for
There's
this,
a creek
Mason?
right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to cross this without dropping my phone in the water. Look at them frogs.
You can just hand me the camera.
Just booking it now. Holding my phone with
Mason,
one hand while crossing
watch
that.
this.
Whoa!
You gotta make
Frogs
sure
are
you
booking
get
it into this water. Alright, Parker.
Oh my goodness!
That didn't
Oh,
play out
heavens,
well. Oh heavens. Oh heavens. Okay.
Cowboy hat.
So I'm gonna go up here, Parker. I'm gonna show you all this little. Parker's insane. I'm gonna show you all this little
Mason, show them down there.
Down where? Oh. There's a bunch of creeks and like winding waters on our property. So I'm gonna show y'all the little waterfall thing that we have. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of sicko. So, hold on. Ah!
We should go in there for the video.
I'm probably gonna drop my phone in the water. Parker, get in the shot. Okay, so, all right. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna pause this. It's about to be epic when I play it. So this is what I wanted to show. I'm going to try to not drop my phone, but there's water going there, and there's water going there, and it looks absolutely sick. Parker's chilling. There's a creek winds down all the way through here. If my phone was waterproof, I'd totally take you all down there. But it's sick because it's got like these double waterfalls here, and yeah, it's epic. But see, like I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's just sick. I don't know. It's cool. It's fed through like this little creek. It comes down and goes over these rocks. It's like cement. I don't even know what it's from, honestly. But I crawl under the barbed wire.
Why is there barbed wire there?
I don't know.
Mason, watch this. They gotta see this.
Okay, there we go. So school has been off
That was too cute.
since it's been about a week or two now. As you all know, the coronavirus, like the pandemic, has been going around the earth.
I like how as soon as there's a big pandemic, we start getting out of the house.
Yeah, I hadn't been outside up until 3 days ago, and I don't even know how long. Well, I mean, like running around outside, you know what I'm saying? But I haven't had school in like 2 weeks, so we just been chilling. Yep. We're gonna climb over this fence onto our neighbor's property.
This isn't our neighbor's property.
This is not our neighbor's property. This is our property still. Hold up. I'm gonna put y'all up on this log. Yo, look at the sky, I guess. Well, I climb over this. Hello.
You gotta show them this tree line that kind of just stops and there's no woods after it.
Yeah. That was sketchy. Okay. So here we have. I just saw a squirrel run. There's trees going here. And right in the middle of the creeks, or trees, I just spoiled it. There's creeks.
We gotta show them, Mike.
So there's creeks down through the trees. And
We're gonna show them my campsite.
Yeah. We're gonna show you all the campsite, and then I'm gonna take y'all up here and look at this lake. And then I don't even know if this camera could totally be pointing at the ground right now. So we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna show you all this. I'll be right back. This is this little creek area that we have here. It's like a pretty small portion of the creeks that we actually have on the property. I'm gonna come down here where it's not quite as treacherous, and I won't have to cross a sketchy water. Oh, my stomach growling. I thought it was an animal growling at me. So over here, it's weird because I have to hold my phone in selfie mode because my camera don't work. Parker's still back there chilling. There's a car right here. So yeah, guys, this is my car. Not really. What's up, everybody? We're back here at the lake. I think right now it's like, Parker, I need you in the camera. It's awkward with just me. I think right now it's about 61 degrees, I think.
Those raccoon tracks.
When I check back at the house, that frog just squeaked at us.
There are some big frogs.
There are some huge frogs.
The ones that make a squeaking noise.
But yeah. So, I can only record for 2 minutes and 38 seconds until my phone runs out of storage. So that's hashtag epic.
Can I check them?
But yeah, here's the lake. There's frogs vibing in there. And I'm gonna show y'all this creek, or this tree. I'll play it once we get there. So, we're at the spot of the big tree. That is not the big tree. This is the big tree. Well, if I can get it on it, but I'm gonna book it over here because I have like a minute left of recording before my phone runs out of space.
Show them that lake. Show them the lake.
Big scenic view.
Show the other one over there.
There's a big old brown house over there. It used to be my uncle's house. Me and my grandpa went fishing there all the time. A lot of memories at that house, but it's trashed now.
Who lives there?
I don't know.
Nobody, maybe?
I know somebody lives there now.
How?
I don't know.
Filthy.
Exactly. Well, yeah, a lot of memories in that lake. That is a nice red car up there, it looks like. So, here's the big tree. So this tree is like hundreds of years old. And yeah, we've had it ever since we moved here. So yeah, there's a homie chilling on the four-wheeler over there on the road. So that's kind of awkward. The homie just kind of was driving by and we're recording a YouTube video. It's kind of weird. Hopefully he doesn't come booking it up the hill. He did. But I think I'm gonna cut it here. We have like no recording time left. So thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all in the next video.